Hey guys, today we're going to do a fun thing, sound safari. It's about learning different sounds while walking through your neighborhood. To do that, I prepared a chart. How does it sound like? Where did it come from? And those are the things on the chart. And you have to fill in the empty squares. I mean rectangles. So what are we waiting for? Let's go out. So I got all my stuff. So let's go outside. Hey, stop. I think I hear something. And it is a generator. It sounds like and it's at the side of a house. Let's fill out these things. Now let's walk across the neighborhood. Are there two generators? So I hear a new sound. The squirrel in the grass is making a sound, a little bit. So we get a car sound. So we hear the sound of bird. I think I'm hearing a bird and it's chirping, and I think it's right up here. I hear tennis balls. Right over there. I hear sound of a helicopter. So I heard a generator, a bird, a squirrel, a car, dogs, and a helicopter. Here's what I filled. Overall, it was a good project, and I hope you had fun. Bye-bye.